What makes a physical product perfect to sell for beginners? How do you find products that can take you from 0 to 10K a month easily? These are the questions I'm going to answer for you today. Now, we are product sourcing experts. We analyze millions of signals from across the internet, and we use that data to identify trending products before they actually take off. Now, I've analyzed thousands of trending products. I've seen products that blew up and made millions per month, and I've seen products that crashed and burned. From everything that I've learned, there are 5 pillars of what makes a product perfect for beginners. These include products that are low cost to source, quick and easy to ship, have an evergreen demand, are not easily found in stores, and are an impulse buy. Today, I'm going to explain each of these pillars in detail, and I'm going to give you 5 products that are trending right now that you can start selling that check all of these boxes. So if this is the kind of channel that you've been looking for, please consider hitting subscribe, and let's dive in. The first pillar of a beginner-friendly product to sell is one that has evergreen demand. As an example, here's a trending product making over 300 grand every single month that will continue to see demand and millions of dollars for years to come. Let's talk about the PDRN Mask. These represent a perfect example of evergreen demand within the beauty industry. It's designed to improve skin firmness and elasticity while promoting a youthful complexion. It aids in skin repair and regeneration by providing moisture, setting it apart from other masks by its focus on rejuvenation and hydration. So why does evergreen demand matter for beginners? There will always be consistent year-round sales opportunities. In other words, you're not relying on fads or holidays. When you're just starting to sell products online to make money, you want to reduce the amount of variables that contribute to failure as much as possible. So if you have a good product that makes good money, that has no season, you're already pretty much set up for success. Let's look at the numbers. It's got a search volume of 1,600 with an incredible growth rate of 257%. Now, the average revenue is over $316,000 per month, with an average selling price of only $18. Plus, the customer satisfaction is great, 4.5 out of 5 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews. All of these are extremely positive signals. So if you're a beginner into selling physical products and you're looking to get into the skincare market, this one is for you. The second pillar of beginner-friendly products are ones that are lightweight and easy to ship. This next product is clearing 160K per month and it weighs less than your phone. We're talking about Exosome Serum, a high-ticket beauty product that is trending like crazy. It's lightweight, it's compact. This is the kind of product that scales fast without crushing your fulfillment team. So why does this matter so much for beginners? Low weight means low shipping costs. No complex logistics, no bulky packaging. When my friends started a viral watch brand, they needed to increase their margins, and one move did that immediately. They switched from using bulky boxes to ship their watches to using padded envelopes. It drastically reduced the price of shipping and improved their profits quite a bit. This is the same principle. And because serums are small and durable, they're perfect for global shipping. That gives new sellers a frictionless path to international sales. Not only that, the data is impressive. With a search volume of only 12K per month and a growth rate of 207%, this product is clearly trending upward. It's raking in over 160 grand per month with an average price point of around $76. Customer reviews are strong at 4.4 out of 5 from nearly 700 reviews. Now, on TikTok, people are raving about the science behind exosome serums. Next, let's talk about a crucial pillar for any beginner physical product: low cost to source. This one is pulling in $126,000 every single month and costs next to nothing to source. We're talking about Lash Clusters, the ultimate low-cost, high-margin product that proves you don't need deep pockets to start a booming e-com brand. So why is this perfect for beginners? Well, when you're starting an e-com brand, the cash flow is everything. Low-cost sourcing means that you can test products without risking huge amounts of capital. Basically, you can afford to make mistakes without going broke. Plus, higher profit margins also mean that every sale contributes more and more to your bottom line. You don't need to break even first to start making money. With a massive search volume of 165K and an explosive growth rate of 900%, these are clearly having a big moment. The average monthly revenue is around 126K with an incredible low average price of just $9. Now, customer satisfaction is also 4.5 out of 5 stars, which usually indicates that a trend is set to last for a long time. If you're looking to market it on TikTok, let's take a look at how people are doing that successfully. People can't stop talking about how these lash clusters are so easy to apply compared to traditional strip lashes. They rave about getting those salon quality results at home. This next product is bringing in some serious revenue. Nearly $95,000 every single month, and you won't spot it on most shelves. It fits perfectly into the next pillar of what makes a product so great for beginners to sell, which is that it's not found on everyday shelves. The product is Cayenne Pepper Drops, a natural wellness product that's gaining a lot of traction online for its metabolism boosting, bloat fighting benefits. It's a low competition niche with real demand, and that's exactly why it's working. So here's why it not being easily found in stores is a huge bonus for beginners. To put it simply and bluntly, it gives your store a reason to exist. Niche products means less competition, more control, and the freedom to set prices without racing to the bottom. You can also move quicker than big stores can. If customers can't grab it easily at Walmart or CVS, you become the go-to. You can move a lot faster than a big store can, which gives you the competitive edge. Think about how long it would take for Walmart to start selling a new product nationwide. With a search volume of 8,000 and a mind-blowing search growth of 7,200, this one has absolutely exploded in popularity. The monthly revenue is around $94K with an average price of $18. Plus, reviews are really solid at 4.4 out of 5 stars. If you're looking at how to market this one, let's take a look at TikTok. Users highlight the metabolic benefits of Cayenne Pepper Drops, often tying them to relatable goals like improving circulation or getting shredded. They present these drops as like the simple, direct answer, using personal testimonials and clear calls to action to build trust and drive viewers to an immediate purchase. Now, this next product falls into our last pillar of the day, which is a super important one for beginners, the impulse price range pillar. It's currently generating around $339,000 every single month. Now we're talking about the Handheld Turbo Fan. Super practical, sub $30 gadget that everybody could use. According to Capital One Shopping, 43% of consumers say they're more likely to make impulse purchases while shopping in bed. So why is it so perfect for beginners? Impulse priced products are easier to sell without long sales funnels or heavy trust building. At just $28, it feels like a no-brainer, especially when the product clearly solves a problem. For a beginner, that means that you don't have to do too much work. The common saying is that somebody needs to see something 7 times before they consider buying it. That's not true for products like this, which means you make money faster. And the data shows that this works so well. A search volume of 720 and an impressive search growth of 99. This practical product is really resonating with consumers. Monthly revenue around 339 grand, with that perfect impulse buy price point of around $28. It's also got super high customer satisfaction, 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 1,400 reviews. On TikTok, people love showing how powerful these little fans are despite their compact size. People mention using them for outdoor activities, at sporting events, or just doing chores around the house, highlighting their versatility and convenience. Now, you might be thinking this one's already super popular, it's already making a ton of money, you've probably seen a lot of people walking around with it on the street. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't start with this product. You don't need ones that are completely undiscovered. All you need is a niche. Now, that's all for today. If you are looking for any specific products in a very particular niche, drop that niche in the comment section below, and I'll give you a trending product totally free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.